Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, like I promised yesterday, I'm bringing you some bullish news today. While my orange LARP line hasn't played out perfectly so far, let's analyze what really happened here in the last 24 hours. Stick around till the end for my full analysis. You don't want to miss this one. The Bitcoin price has been consolidating from its local peak of 97.5 thousand yesterday into a downward trend line, forming a bull flag. With a bottom at 95,000, it's clear from the long, lower candle wicks that any price below this level is quickly bought up. Now, if we take the flagpole of this bull flag and project it to the breakout zone, Bitcoin could potentially be catapulted back to the 99,000 area. Now let's look at some indicators. The EMA 5, yellow, EMA 21, pink, and EMA 50, purple, are all converging tightly on the 1-hour chart. This setup often signals a potential bullish breakout. Money flow on the wave trend indicator is still green, which means that money is pouring in, likely fueling a significant move to the upside. Let me tell you a secret. Both these signs give strong confidence in a bullish continuation. Speaking of bullish signals, we've got a green dot on the 1-hour chart. This is a clear signal of upward momentum. On the 12-hour chart, another green dot has appeared, signaling that the 3-day flash crash could now be over. Heiken Ashi candles are turning green again, and the doji candle after the dump is also pointing to a potential reversal. All of this combined has me feeling very bullish on the short-term price action. In other news, Bitcoin ETFs saw positive inflows of $103 million yesterday, which is fantastic for sentiment. Let's take a quick look at the 1-week liquidation heat map. It's showing one direction, up, with massive short liquidity stacked between 99,000 and 100,000. Each $50 increment on this heat map represents $500 million of short liquidity, meaning there's a potential $10 billion waiting to be liquidated between these levels. Price action loves liquidity. It's a magnet. When the magnet is 10 billion, that's a pretty attractive magnet, and this is where Bitcoin could be headed next. My long position is still up and looking solid. I'll keep you updated on when I exit in real time over on Discord. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you want to stay ahead of the market, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant updates. Let's ride this wave together, and see you in the next one.